Bro, look, I don't know if you can see, this pond is loaded with trout. See, like there. And we're just gonna be here today catching a couple of this. We're having fun, and this is what we have in our line of business. We'll be using a rooster tail. Pag nakahuli ng isa, palitan natin ng crankbait. Dalawa lang kailangan ko. Alright, let's see if we can catch this fish. Here, fish on. Fish on, bro. Oh, look at that beautiful fish, bro. Ganda, no? Problema ngayon, wala tayong flies. Whew. Okay. Bro, look at the fish. Beautiful. Rainbow trout. Ganda, no? Alright, this goes into my bucket. So bro, yung nakahuli itong kulay puti na rooster tail. Yan, since effective, palit na naman tayo ng dilaw. We'll see kung makakahuli pa tayo. Mukhang gusto nila yung bright color eh, so palitan natin yellow green. Kanina kasi parang dark color ang nilagay ko, parang mapula-pula, parang hindi nila type, or baka maaga pa lang. So ayun, nga pala 4 pound yung ko, lined 4 pound line 4 pound test. Okay, dilaw. Woo! Bah, that was a bite. Hindi nasabitan. Fish on. Yung bro, huli oh. It's right there. See? Ganda, no? Yo, second fish. Okay bro, yung nakahuli kanina is yung second fish, yung kulay dilaw. Una kulay puti, and then I'll change lure again. Tingnan natin kung makakahuli pa. Pangatlo, and then I'll go home. Woo! Alright bro, red naman tayo. Yung piso na naman. Yan bro, nakahuli. Right bro, that will be my third fish. And then beautiful. So bro, yan yung third fish natin, and then I'll go home. Look at that. Woo! Sa rooster tail, tapos 4-pound test rate, nalaglag yung isda. Bro, thank you for watching. Hanggang sa muli. Fish on.